Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute pink Badbunny rolling tray. So stay tuned and find out how I make it. You want to spray paint it nice and even and leave it aside to dry for 24 hours. Since it is the month of February, I chose to go with pink, one of my favorite colors, and I also added these cute little pink glitter hearts to the resin. Once the tray was fully dry, I went ahead and glued on the pictures that I wanted to go on the tray. And I wanted to make a Badbunny tray because he's one of my favorite artists, and no matter what type of mood you're in, he has something that's going to get you in your feels. Then with my Cricut machine, I used holographic vinyl to cut out the Badbunny logo with permanent vinyl. And this is what the tray looks like once I put the Badbunny logo on. Once I've poured the resin in, I like to use a popsicle stick and go around all the edges and make sure they're nice and straight. And make sure it's nice and smooth, there's no bumps or no lumps. Then with my heat gun, I like to go over the whole tray and make sure I pop any air bubbles. This is what it looks like after pouring the resin in and popping the air bubbles. Then you just want to leave it overnight to cure for 24 hours. I love how this tray turned out. It turned out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks guys.